In this video I'm going to show you how to make Instagram account private. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your iPhone, and as you can see, Instagram homepage, and tap on profile icon in the very bottom side, and just tap on three-line menu on the top, and after that tap on settings and privacy, and just swipe up little bit to account privacy. Tap on account privacy, and here showing the account private account, kindly turn it off, and just tap on to turn on the to make your Instagram account profile private. So just tap on switch to private, and your Instagram account will be private. So you can review your followers and then unfollow them if you don't know them, or just not now, tap on not now, and so yeah, your profile switch to private, as you can see. So that way you can make your Instagram account private. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.